I greet you in Jesus' name. For 27 years, we've been blessed with great leaders that bring Haitian Church of God member living in the diaspora together every year to celebrate their God and to fellowship together. I've been blessed to be the third to hold that important leadership position. All I'm asking for you to come and celebrate and glorify and testify the greatness of God and to pray for me. The convention will be held in Albany. You would not regret it. Come and be one of us. May God bless you.